Bakit ba napaka-importante ng financial education? Sabi sa libro na 'to, when it comes to securing and saving their future, many good people fail. Many hardworking people fail. Many smart people fail. Many young people fail. Many old people fail. Many teachers fail. Many engineers and doctors fail. Grabe, no? Kahit pala mabait ka, masipag ka, matalino ka, pwede ka pa rin mag-fail at mag-retire ng broke. Kasi these people don't set out to fail. They do because they fail to plan and manage their personal finances. Kaya importante na magbigay tayo ng oras sa financial education. Dapat may financial plan tayo para ma-maximize natin yung kinikita nating pera. Matuto tayo mag-invest and syempre yung disiplina napaka-importante. So again sa IMG, niniwala kami na financial education is not just for the wealthy. It's for everyone. To know more, comment ka lang.